Man, this stuff smells good. I could drink it. Kind of hungry. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. And seeing as though I myself am quarantined like most of the rest of the world right now, I figured it'd be a good time to clean up some of the cars and test out some cleaning supplies from my friends over at LiquidX Car Care. And it also just so happens that my brother's new C6 Corvette was mistaken for a toilet and shit on by the birds. So I, like the good brother that I am, I'm gonna wash it for him. I'm gonna try out some of this stuff, and then I'm gonna try out some of the other stuff on my C5. A nice, easy, relaxing day. I went over the car once with the foam cannon just to get the bird crap off of it and give it a nice little clean. And I'm about as good as washing cars as I am everything else, so that means I'm not very good. So that's where my friends at LiquidX come in. That's where this comes in handy, their detail spray. I'm gonna go over the car with this, hit the spots that I missed when I went through the first wash. Now you can use this when the car's wet or dry. I chamoised the car off, so it's pretty dry already. So this stuff is like a quick detailer. So theoretically, I could have used this to lift up the bird crap that was on the car, but just to be safe, I used the pressure washer and the foam cannon, because again, it's not my car, it's my brother's new car. If I were to somehow screw that up, well, that would be the end of DriveHub. I'm just gonna mist this stuff lightly on. That's not that light, I guess. And then they sent me a few of their microfiber towels. They have like a waffle weave pattern to them. They're extremely soft though. Just gonna wipe this stuff off. And then flip the towel over and buff it a little bit. Well, if they weren't lying, there's no streaks at all. Shines up extremely well. Very, very nice. I'm gonna go over the spot where the bird crap was one more time. Now, I definitely wouldn't call myself the greatest detailer that ever lived, but I don't think my brother's gonna kick my ass when he gets home and sees this. So that's a plus. It's got rid of a lot of the water spots that were on this car beforehand, like dried, hard-on water spots. Now I'm gonna use some of their butter wax. This stuff smells so fantastic. 3 rows, they're supposed to be even, but I screwed that one up. On a microfiber applicator, this is their microfiber applicator. Spread that around evenly. Then we're just gonna take another one of their microfiber towels and buff it out. This fender cleaned up amazing. Actually pretty damn proud of myself. This thing looks really, really sharp now. Fantastic. Oh, missed a little bit down here. Wow. Nice stuff. That looks awesome. Now, I don't think I'm going to be that nice of a brother and do the entire car, but I just hit the panels that looked the absolute worst. And I'm sure that he'll do the rest of it this weekend and finish up that bottle. Man, this stuff smells good. I could drink it. Kind of hungry. All right, so now that his vet is all cleaned up, we're gonna go over to mine, and I'm gonna use the rest of the cleaning supplies, the interior stuff, because I know for a fact just this past weekend he detailed his interior. Mine could use a little bit of attention. On the other hand, I washed the outside of mine this past weekend, so now I'm gonna take the rest of the cleaning supplies and go take care of mine. The exterior of mine's in good shape, but the interior, it could use a little bit of a cleaning up. All right, so what we got left is the VRP spray. This is like a sort of dressing. It'll leave stuff with a low gloss, like a satin finish. And you can use this on your trim, your tires. And this is the interior detail. This is just for general cleaning, fingerprints, dust, dirt. This stuff smells really, really good too. Geez, I could prank someone, put that in a glass, and I bet they drink it. Just kidding, anyways. And this stuff says it will actually like protect the interior too. It's good for dashes, door panels, stuff like that. That'll come in very handy right now. So I got a little carried away with detailing the interior of my C5 Corvette. But anyways, all of these Liquid X car care products that I used today were fantastic. And I'm not even exaggerating. The lighting made it a little bit tough to get some before and after shots, but this stuff really, really works wonders. And you bet I will be ordering more of it. So if you guys are interested in any of the detailing supplies that I used today, I'll link them down in the description below so you can check them out. Make sure you tell them Jake from DriveHub sent you. But that's it for me tonight. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.